Hello everyone, this is Sarah G from ItsSarahG TV. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna do some makeup. So we're gonna go to the mall today to do the trick or treat. So I'm gonna put like a little makeup. I'll do makeup in every party. So it's like a heavy makeup thing. Like I spend like 30 minutes or an hour to do my makeup, but then it's a party, so you want your makeup to last longer than an hour, because at the same time you're making memories, so you want yourself be presentable on the pictures. What I'm gonna do today is more likely like an everyday makeup. It's not an everyday, but sometimes when I need to go out, and sometimes when uh when I need to go somewhere, I want to be more presentable, and but just a mild makeup. So I'm gonna start with a moisturizer. This is from Olay. It's Olay brand, and yeah, I'm using this as my base. And I noticed way before, that's why I get easily have pimples, because I'm not using moisturizer. So ever since then, I use my cleanser, I put moisturizer after. So we're done. I don't usually buy makeup because I have friends who give me some makeup, like powder and everything, because I'm not really used to it. So I'm just using their product, but I'm spending more on the, I give emphasis to my kilay and to my eyes. So I usually buy eye product like this liquid eyeliner, this yeah, because during high school and college, I'm the kind of the emo girl, so I got this, eyeliner every day going to school. So you're like, oh, cool. But so I'm gonna start with my kilay. So we're gonna use my favorite. This one from the Maybelline Brown Precise. I like this because it has brush with it too. See, as you can see on the other side. So we're gonna brush it first. This is like a quick makeup for me. So ito yung ang hirap. So gusto ko to kasi it's very just makes your kilay natural, looks natural. Yan. I love this. Kabila naman. Actually, honestly, my kilay is not pantay. It's not equal. I mean, because my eyes is not equal too. The other side's big, the other side's small, so. Okay na ba yan? So brush na lang. This side. It's either Maybelline or L'Oreal, or whichever's available in Walmart. Kasi it's always like when I get to the store, like every 15 days when we go for our groceries, we went to our groceries, they're always out of stock. So it's either L'Oreal or Maybelline. So whichever is available. So ganyan lang yan. So parang natural look. Kilay. Okay. But I always sell this, sealed this. With like what do you call this thing? What's that? With this gel source sauce. I don't know how to read this. It's a gel. So you seal the kilay, so matisealed yung kilay natin, so it will last long. So even if it rains, it's still there. You know? Yan. Yan. Tapos lagyan natin siya ng tatangan tayo sa ating mata. We've got to, I use this like master, this is Maybelline too, midnight brown eyeliner. So just put it here. And what I'm gonna do is just blend it. Blend it, girl, blend it. I think that's this is the secret of doing your makeup is you know how to blend. Yeah, I don't want it like heavy, so I just want it natural. So this we gotta put like kind of brown. Blend. Just blend it. Brown. I like color brown. Sometimes I can't list different colors. It's being made. Then I'm gonna my friend. And then what else? I'm gonna do gonna try this liquid eyeliner from what's the brand? L'Oreal Paris. Never opened, so this is the first time I'm gonna use this product. Maybe one. Open. Ay, ayaw mo pagamit. Ano ba? Ang taga ha? Grabe. Lumitaw siya. Okay, this is it. It's like a pen. Ooh, look at that. So we're gonna turn. Oh wow, nice. Oh my god. Oh my god, my hands is nagkurog na dito siya. I'm sorry, money eye. So this is my first time to use this like a pen. So kailangan talaga guys, constant practice for perfection. Oops. Oh my god, I don't like this. Can't control it. Well, since we're going to trick-or-treating, might as well I'm gonna put it like a Halloween stuff. Ay, ganyan. Ay, ang kapal. I didn't intend to make it thick. But this is my first time using this and I'm having a hard time to control it. See? Especially on this side. How can I erase this one? I want to erase it, that one. To make it like... Okay. I don't like it. But maybe constant practice, but... Sige, dito sa kabila, okay. See? Hindi lang. Good. pa siya makontrol. I'll settle for this for now. Okay. Let me put the eyeliner again. Saan ba yun? Saan? There. This one. Then, i-blend mo lang siya din. I want it like blending. The last time na pumunta ako, when I went to the party, ang nakaka-bad is like I have this pimple inside my eye, so it's like I'm having a hard time to put the makeup. And dito sa ilalim ng mata. Blah, blah, blah. And then let's look like under eye. Ito pa naman. My CoverGirl lash blast volume blast volume. Okay. Attention, a cup of tea. Then let's put like the Maybelline New York pressed powder. Pressed powder. Then let's put some blush on. Still using this, I just need to mix them together. See? It's got like on cheeks. Yeah, in cheeks. No. My husband says like I'm the cheeks. You know, the cheeks. I got the cheeks. So yeah. Your nose part. I'm gonna give emphasis on the nose. Alam niyo naman, hindi tayong gifted sa nose. And then we'll do the lips. I always put like this chapstick para hindi mag-dry, para hindi mag-crack yung lips natin. Then I can put my this is from L'Oreal Paris. I'm not really particular on makeup. Just whatever works for me. That's it. And I stick to it. So I think this is it, pencil. So this is like my everyday look. Everyday. But I don't really look like my eyes because of the eyeliner. Because I can't have the control yet. Let's see. Tsaka masyadong ilaw dito sa restroom. Oh man. So ito yan. So, this is it. I'm ready to go to the mall. I'm just waiting for the kids to wake up so I can dress them up. Well, the other one still wants to be a pirate, and the other one is gonna be a Moana, baby Moana. So look at that. You ready? Bye. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.